Elon Musk's xAI is rebuilding their AI coding tool. From scratch. Again. That's the headline and the quote they actually said out loud, not built right the first time. Which, sure, happens in software. The part that gets me is the again. This is the second restart. They hired 2 executives away from Cursor, the coding assistant developers have actually been using. And the plan is new blood, new rewrite, new vibes. Cursor spent years building trust with developers. Small things. Tight feedback loops. Genuine care about the workflow. xAI watched that, thought, we want that, and hired the executives. Not the culture. Not the years of iteration. The executives. There's a belief, very common in big resource organizations, that talent is the bottleneck. That if you just get the right people in the room, the product appears. But Cursor isn't good because of who leads it. It's good because of thousands of small decisions made over a long time by people who cared. You can't poach a culture. You can't restart your way to craftsmanship. xAI will ship something eventually. Whether it's built right is a different question entirely.